Hey everyone, if you're someone who makes funny videos on Instagram or who does comedy, who imitates comedy scenes from movies, I think the strategy which I'm going to say might work for you. I'm going to give you a disclaimer right now. I'm not earning from YouTube or Instagram right now. Okay, so but I really feel that this strategy might work for you if you already have a huge fan base in Instagram. I mean, when you have huge fan base in Instagram by doing Instagram reels. Okay, so thing is, you might be using copyrighted songs like songs from movies or songs from English albums or something, and they may be subjected to copyrights, right? So what I'm saying is that if you could bring those audience in YouTube by creating YouTube Shorts. If you don't know what is YouTube Shorts, it is similar to Instagram Reels, which YouTube has recently released in their platform. If you could bring the audience from Instagram to YouTube, I know this is not going to happen over a day's period, or it's not going to happen within a week. But I am damn sure that it might happen within a month or two. Okay, but if you're having a huge presence in Instagram, your and if you could bring your Instagram followers to YouTube through YouTube Shorts, it doesn't mean that you should be telling your Instagram followers in every video that I'm starting posting content in YouTube Shorts. Also, you can say that, you can mention that once or twice in your videos, but once you start making YouTube Shorts in YouTube, if many people like your videos, people are going to subscribe to your videos, fine. And everyone likes to watch funny content or entertaining content. So when you I'm saying that you did not tell in your every video that I'm going to post content in YouTube, in YouTube Shorts, so you come and watch me there. If you tell that, many people are going to get pissed off at you. So nobody's going to come to a platform just because you are posting content in that. This has happened with YouTube channels also. Many YouTube channels in their early stages, when they get 1 million subscribers or 2 million subscribers, they try to create an app and they think that many people will come into the app just for watching their videos. But that many YouTubers have failed in that. So it might also happen to you if you tell them that I am not going to make videos in Instagram, I will be making only in YouTube. So I'm saying that if you can make you can use copyrighted content in YouTube Shorts also. You won't be getting monetized for that. You will be getting monetized for the other content you make. You will be grabbing the subscribers into your account, so you can use these subscribers to get monetized. You can make content like vlog, or you can start speaking about other stuff like whatever you like. Like you can start from 2 minutes videos or 3 minutes videos, and if it really kicks off, you're going to start earning money and your monetization is going to get done very soon, because you're already having a huge fan base in Instagram. The only thing you have to start doing is you have to make YouTube Shorts in YouTube platform, and you have to start making simultaneous content. Like you can make Q&A session with your subscribers or followers, and that would really help you to get monetize your YouTube channel. So that is a strategy which I am telling you. Disclaimer: this has not happened with me because I'm just a beginner and I'm not making content in fun. I'm not making content in entertainment, and I'm also not a good entertainer. Also, let me be frank, and I think that this may really help for people who are doing Instagram videos and Instagram Reels and those TikTok kind of videos. So if you find this video will help one of your Instagram celebrity, like who has 1 lakh or 1 million followers. If you feel that your friend who has huge fan base in Instagram for their Reels videos, if you want them to earn money, you can obviously send them this video, or yeah, that would be really helpful for them also, and it would be really helpful for me to get views. Bye bye, take care. That's all for today. I hope one of my videos gets really get so many views and I become famous overnight, but that doesn't happen with anyone, right? Bye bye, take care.